Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your docking station suddenly starts showing a blinking power light and connected devices stop responding the way they normally should, it can quickly interrupt your setup. Sometimes monitors disconnect, charging behaves differently, or accessories stop working while the light keeps blinking without much explanation. A blinking power light can happen because of cable movement, power interruptions, connection issues, or the docking station simply needing a quick refresh. Before thinking the dock has completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many power light issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a docking station blinking power light. Try these. Step 1. Check the power adapter connected to the docking station and make sure everything fits securely. Step 2. Disconnect the laptop from the docking station briefly to refresh the connection. Step 3. Watch the indicator on the docking station and check whether the blinking pattern changes after reconnecting power. Step 4. Remove power from the docking station for a short moment before plugging it back in again. Step 5. Reconnect accessories to the docking station one at a time to check if something interrupts normal operation. Step 6. Test the docking station again and confirm the blinking power light settles back to normal behavior.